See what a difference 10 points makes? 105-102, Clippers get their lick back on the second game of the back-to-back against the Rockets. This game had the same energy as the first one, a lot of back and forth between the two. Super slow start for Kawhi. I think he had 4 points through 3 quarters, but in the fourth quarter, the claw came out. 16 points took over the game, put the Clippers up. Rockets came back, came down to the final possession, and then bro said, "Give me the ball and let me go win the game." Fadeaway jumper as the time expired, according to the Clippers commentator, but then there was 2 seconds left. Would have been cooler if the buzzer went off, but you know what? I'll still take it. And as bro said, we love to hoop. Huge win over the Rockets there. It gives us some nice momentum going into the All-Star week. Let me know how we felt about winning this one. We got a week off, but I believe the next game is against the Nuggets next Thursday. Enjoy the All-Star weekend, and see y'all later.